How to Make Money Online in 2026 Beginner-Friendly Guide. Have you ever wondered how people make money online? Maybe you have seen someone working from home. Maybe you have heard stories of people earning money with only a phone or a laptop. The good news is this: making money online is possible, but it is not magic. It takes learning, patience, and consistency. In this video, I will show you some of the best ways to make money online in 2026. Whether you are a student, unemployed, or looking for extra income, this guide will help you get started. Let us begin. Number 1. Start freelancing. One of the easiest ways to earn money online is freelancing. Freelancing means using your skills to help clients. You can write articles, edit videos, design graphics, translate languages, manage social media, or create YouTube scripts. Create a profile on freelance platforms. Build a strong portfolio. Deliver quality work. Happy clients will recommend you to others. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube has changed many lives. You do not need expensive equipment. You can start with your smartphone. Choose one niche. Upload helpful videos consistently. As your audience grows, you can earn from ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your own products. Success does not happen overnight. Stay consistent. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income opportunities. Recommend products you trust. Share your affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The more helpful your content is, the more people will trust your recommendations. Number 4. Sell digital products. Create a product once. Sell it many times. Examples include ebooks, templates, online courses, printable planners, digital art. Digital products can generate income for years. Number 5. Content writing. Businesses need writers every day. You can write blog posts, website content, email newsletters, YouTube scripts. Product descriptions. Improve your writing skills. Practice every day. Quality writing attracts higher-paying clients. Number 6. Learn high-income skills. The internet rewards valuable skills. Learn video editing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, search engine optimization, artificial intelligence tools. The better your skills become, the more opportunities you create. Number 7. Social media management. Many businesses need help growing online. You can create posts, reply to comments, schedule content, grow their audience. This business can be started from home. Number 8. Online tutoring. Teach people what you already know: English, mathematics, music, programming, business. Students all over the world are looking for teachers online. Number 9. Build a personal brand. Share your knowledge, share your experience, help people solve problems. As your audience grows, new opportunities will appear. Brand deals, affiliate income, course sales, consulting, digital products. A strong personal brand becomes a long-term business. Number 10. Stay consistent. Many people fail because they quit too early. They expect results after 1 week. Real success takes time. Every video, every client, every lesson, every improvement moves you closer to your goals. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Final message: making money online is possible, but it requires action. Choose one method, learn it, practice it, improve it. Success comes from consistency, not shortcuts. Your journey starts today. Outro: if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment online below and tell me which online business you want to start first. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.